In this video, I am going to guide about inspecting a car on Turo before pickup. A thorough inspection helps avoid any surprises during your rental. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Review the car's photos on the Turo listing to check its overall condition. 2. Check the car's description for any specific details about its condition, features or issues. 3. Verify the car's mileage and compare it with the listing to ensure it's accurate. 4. Inspect the exterior for any visible damage, scratches, dents or other concerns. 5. Examine the tires for wear and ensure they have sufficient tread and proper inflation. 6. Check the car's interior for cleanliness, damage or any missing items. 7. Take photos of any existing damages and document the car's condition before pickup. This inspection ensures you are aware of any issues and protects you from liability. Communicate with the host if you notice any discrepancies.